Pour your ground chicken into the air fryer and follow that up with cracking in your eggs and a hefty amount of all-purpose flour. Then, for extra flavorings, I'm going to add in a little bit of onion powder, because who doesn't love onions, followed by garlic powder and some smoked paprika, and then as well go in with a generous pinch of salt and a bunch of cracks of freshly cracked pepper. Then take your hand and you're now just going to mix this up. Get this fully combined right here in the air fryer. You want to get that chicken fully mixed together. I'm going to add in the rest of our flour as well. Really mix that up until it comes together into a homogeneous mixture that we are going to form into delicious chicken nuggets. Yes, that's right. McDonald's, watch out. We're making chicken nuggets in the air fryer. So just mix it up. You want to form this kind of beautiful paste that we can then turn into beloved chicken nuggets. Take a cookie scoop. I just like to scoop it right like that. Then place into your hand, press down, then take your spray. Now you're just gonna spray in your air fryer just like that to make sure there's no sticking. Place the chicken in there and then give that a thorough spray just like that. Now just repeat that with the rest of the chicken nuggets, placing them there, give them a hefty spray, and then these are just gonna cook right here in the good old air fryer. My favorite way to cook things, just like that. Scooping, and do one more over there. We have 4 in here. Bam, now we're just gonna let this air fry. Now this should be at a temperature of 350 degrees Fahrenheit. That is absolutely perfect to make sure that the outside gets nice and crispy and the inside cooks fully. All right, look at those, getting nice and golden brown. They almost kind of look like biscuits, which is funny. So I'm just now gonna give those a flip. Now we wanna make sure, since most of that heat, or basically all the heat, is coming from the top, you wanna make sure that both sides get evenly cooked and not just the top part. So that goes right back into the air fryer. Let that cook now for another few minutes. And pop those out of here, right on to there. Now these are kind of some big chicken nuggets, but that sounds like a good problem to have in my book. So I'm just gonna take a little bit of my Bojangles seasoning, pop that on there, followed up with some barbecue sauce. Oh God, that's just air, not barbecue sauce. Bam! And then let's give those a try. Let's just rip right into here. Look at that beautifully cooked interior. It might be weirdly shaped, but I mean, that is a delicious looking chicken nugget. I'm gonna dip it into a little barbecue sauce and let's give it a try. Oh yeah, oh my God, I love a chicken nugget. There is no reason to only eat chicken nuggets from fast food. It is absolutely delicious to make on your own. More people should be making chicken nuggets at home. And if you're gonna do it, maybe try it in your air fryer. I'm not gonna lie, I do think it's better deep fried, but if you don't want to deal with all that oil, you can get away with just doing it in the air fryer.